Quotes to Overcome Depression by Viktor Frankl. The one thing you have control over is your attitude towards your suffering. Depression, as I see it, is an illness that affects the meaning of life. The meaning of life is to find meaning in life. The search for meaning is the primary source of strength in difficult times. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Between stimulus and response there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. Our greatest freedom is the freedom to choose our attitude. Our attitude towards our circumstances and ourselves determines the degree of our happiness. In the end, the meaning of life is the same as the meaning of suffering. It is an opportunity to grow and evolve. Life is not primarily a quest for pleasure, as Freud believed, or a quest for power, as Alfred Adler taught, but a quest for meaning. It is the very pursuit of happiness that thwarts happiness. Life is not always easy, but it is always meaningful. Meaning is the source of all energy, inspiration, and purpose. The most important thing is to find a meaning in your life, and to give your life that meaning. The meaning of life is not simply to exist, to survive, but to move ahead, to go up, to achieve, to conquer. It is not what happens to us in life, but how we respond to what happens to us that makes the difference. In the depths of despair, hope is still possible. In the face of suffering, it is our choices that give us hope and meaning. Every moment can be a turning point in our lives, a chance to create meaning and purpose. No matter what happens to us, no matter how much we suffer, we always have the power to choose our response. Our greatest challenge is to find meaning and purpose in our lives, even in the midst of suffering. The pursuit of happiness is not the answer to our problems, but rather the search for meaning and purpose. No one can take away our freedom to choose our response to any situation. The meaning of life is not a fixed entity, but something we create for ourselves through our choices and actions. The greatest discovery of my life is that I am the one who has the power to create my own meaning and purpose in life.